Trucks, trailers, or any other commercial vehicles are important business assets required in the normal day-to-day running for business operations. As a business owner, you are constantly faced with a number of critical decisions whereby you have to decide what is the best for your business. So, if you are a business owner, you should carefully consider a number of important factors when it is time to get a new truck, trailer, or any other commercial vehicle such as having. There's fantastic techniques are used in the factory with the latest technology, tools, and avoided accident. Trucks are the major part of almost our business. The transportation makes the business carrying easy to access and move the business onto its track fastly. In most instances, you will need to assess how and when you use your truck. Whenever you use it for work, pay a just cursing. What type of work, how you pay, and where you cross will need to be considered. But first, you should understand exactly what four-wheel drive is used for, and examples of when it is not useful. The same thinking comes into play when you consider, should I pay more for F350 as opposite to an F150 when I want really hauling big loads of cargo or a motorhome. Manufacturers have many different methods and verbiage to dissipate power going to all of the wheels. Four-wheel drive is basically a part-time system that can be switched on or off as the situation wants for more traction or each wheel. The best system will allow the maximum amount of power delivered to prevent wheel slipping. This is used more in winter for ice and snow conditions, or if you use a truck off road when more traction is needed. Having a four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive vehicle means you have on which the engine powers all four wheels either part-time or full-time. Some trucks have two-wheel drive, which means either the front or back wheels are powered by the engine. Which can be less expensive. You may, however, end up needing snow tires on if you only have two-wheel drive. All-wheel drives, which is also referred to as full-time or four-wheel drive, is designed for multifunctional driving situations, both and on and off-road, and usually cannot be switched off.